Are there any emerging trends you're excited about that could reshape sports industry in the next 5 years?
So one that I'm really excited about, and I think is going to take a while for people to get comfortable with, is AI sales agents. What I mean by that, and like the very high touch, very personal, relational type sales, I think you need a person. You need a human there. There's that relationship building aspect. There's parts of that you can't automate, you can't outsource. But there's also a lot of transactional type work, whether it's customer service type issues or things like that, or trying to find out of the millions of fans that attended your game, who are the ones that are maybe interested in learning more about season tickets or a certain ticket package or group outings. Right now, the process is you have junior reps, earns, whatever it is, banging out a bunch of calls, talking to people that maybe don't want to talk to them, or not even answering the phone, because not a lot of people answer their cell phones anymore, answer their phones in general. But if you have a robot that can expedite that and go through the calls, and they're starting to sound a lot more human based on your reaction. We're still a ways away, but you talked down the road. I don't know if you put 5 years down, but I see that coming. I see that happening.
Very exciting.
And I think that could allow teams now to focus their sellers on the things that are going to drive the most impact versus, kind of menial administrative type tasks.